Hi everyone, welcome to Ede Yoruba TV.
Now, I want to write it like before so that I'll be able to see everything together. A, B, D, A, F, G, B, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We have 25 letters in alphabets in Yoruba. So we want to read it together now. Oh yeah? A, B, D, A, F, G, B, P, J, K, L, M, N, O, R, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. All these are the ones they use to form letters. Now we are going forward to split it together. We want to remove consonants from it. Then we remove vowel sounds. Let me point it to it in the first instance before I write it down. Now look at this one, the one I'm going to circles. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 sounds in Yoruba, which is vowel. The remaining ones are consonants. Àwọn tó kù yẹn ni consonants. The one I circles, èyí tí mo yí òdo sí, tí mo yí léká, òun ni vowel tí a pè ní fa-wẹ́-lì. So I want to clean it up now so that I'll be able to remove the consonants one and remove the vowels one. Which is the next topic now. Now, Iro Konsonanti. This is the sound of the consonants. The one I told you the other time that after removing the one that has been circled. So I want to write it out now. These are the consonant letters. Àwọn ni a pè ní lẹ́tà consonant. They were 18 letters of consonants in Yoruba. There are 18. One, let's count it together. A fẹ́ kà papọ̀ nísìnyí. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. we call it méjìdínlógún. We are still going to Òǹkà Yorùbá, which is the numbers in Yoruba later. We call it there are 18 numbers. The consonants in Yoruba, they were 18 numbers. Ó yá, a fẹ́ kà jáde ńsìn. B, D, F, G, B, H, G, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, Sh, T, W, J. Mo fẹ́ tún kà o, I want to repeat it again. Follow me. B, B, D, F, G, B, H, G, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, Sh, T, W, J. These are the consonants in Yoruba. Àwọn ni a pè ní Iro Consonants. Consonants. So I want to clean this one up so that we're able to see it very clearly. Now I want to write it clearly now. The consonants letters. Iro Konsonanti. Iro Konsonanti. B, D, F, G, B. H, G, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, Sh, T, W, J. But I told you the other time that is 18 letters. Let's number it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We call it méjìdínlógún in Yoruba. So there are 18 numbers. These are the consonant letters in Yoruba. Now we are going for vowel sounds. Tí a pè ní, we call it fáwẹ́lì.